Hi guys, my name is Ina. Today I will speak about how to use the markers from CleverBooks, and we're going to be talking about geometry today. So to start this, you need the iPad, or you can use any other Android device, and you also need markers from CleverBooks. You can either download that from our website for free. They're available for all the main geometrical shapes. Or we also have available already printed markers, a set that comes in a package. You can see how it works on our website. So the main goal to create this was to help the kids learn geometry. Many of you as educators know that the geometry can be quite boring, and it's quite hard for the children to understand the concept and visualize the 2D and the 3D shapes. So basically this app helps the children to better understand the shapes and to make the lessons more interactive. This can also be used at home environments, so the kids can download their application on their home devices, and if they have the set of cards printed from the website, they can use it at home. And the most important thing to say that this application is covering main shapes that goes together with any curriculum. We had put a team together with mathematicians from different sides of the world. We had teachers from Australia, we had teachers from the UK, we had teachers from the States, from Arab Emirates. So what they did, they've taken the core from every curriculum and they've put it in the app that basically can be used as a supplementary to any existing curriculum. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works, and if you want, you can try it by downloading all the markers on our website, play around and see what value it's going to bring to your lessons in the class, and as well as benefit the children. So I have downloaded the application on my iPad now, and all I have to do is press shapes. It gives you exactly the instructions what you have to follow. You have the mobile phone or you have the iPad, and then you point it at the marker, as I mentioned, the ones that you print out, and then you will see what happens. So let's try that. So you can see even from down here, the marker is already working, it's showing yellow, and all you have to do now is to play with the games. So you have the sound here as well. It's been recorded by the children to make it easier for the kids to understand and relate to more educational part. And then the children can play with different buttons, see the vertices and the edges of every shape, and also understand not just the three-dimensional shape but also the two-dimensional shape, how it opens up. And we can change the marker now from hexagon to, for example, rectangle. And again, we have the marker working now, and we're ready to start using it. This is the 3D shape. We can start looking at the 2D shape as well, how it opens up. And if we go back to the 3D shapes here, we can also see the fractions. The kids can play. So the most important thing is that the kids can use it by themselves in the classroom, or as a teacher you can also connect your device to the projector and project it on the wall to make a lesson more creative, more visualized, and at home basis children can use the markers and learn better about shapes, also about their relation to real life objects. We also have a game that gives the chance to the children to learn better about relation to the 3D shapes and 2D shapes, to the real world objects. And as you can see here, there's also tests available, so the kids can check their knowledge and see if they have learned their lesson. So thank you very much for watching. If you're interested, you can download the free markers on our website and try it out. Hope you have a good time, and hope that your kids can also learn.
As an educator myself, I believe that we are shaping the future of the kids by providing them the right content in the right way and developing the right skills. I am with you here, and I strongly believe that every single kid should have access to the greatest tools we have. Kids are equal.